March 16, 2024, and then we're gonna do the time zone, and we're gonna choose our time zone, and so we're actually not Pacific Central, so we're Mountain Time, and we are using daylight savings time, so this knows automatically how bright the sun is, and it can dim the lights based on how much sunlight you're getting in your region. And daylight savings is set. Oops, back. So now we're gonna go to the nearest city. And we're gonna find Edmonton. And then we're gonna go, so we're in Edmonton, we're gonna set that. And then the panel's gonna set. Oops.